Hello there, everybody, and welcome back to another edition. I'm Daniel, the guy that thought that joke was funny, Valvo. And today we're going to continue our deep dive into applications of percents by talking about gratuities and commissions. Let's get after it. First, let's talk about gratuities. A gratuity is a tip, aka a gift usually in the form of money that you give someone in return for his or her service. We usually might talk about gratuities in the context of tipping servers at restaurants. On the other hand, we have commissions. A commission is a fee paid to someone for his or her service in helping to sell something to a customer. We usually think of commissions in the context of a salesperson at a store. In both cases, the gratuity or commission is most often determined by a percent of the bill.